Hi everyone, it's Genene and welcome to Yoga at Work. Yoga postures that you can do while you're on the job. So you say you have low back pain because you've been doing a lot of housekeeping professionally or otherwise, this one's for you. Number one, pranayama, which is breathing techniques. This one in particular, very easy, lengthening the breath slowly. So you're going to spend 4 minutes. Minute number 1, you're going to inhale to the count of 5. So it's inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then continue. Inhaling to the count of 6. Exhaling to the count of 6 for 1 minute. And then inhaling to the count of 7, exhaling to the count of 7 for 1 minute. And then finally, on your 4th minute, inhaling to the count of 8, exhaling to the count of 8. Doing this anytime you would like to throughout your workday. It's up to you. Number 2, shoulder circles. Starting by small circles, like that big around. So circling shoulders forward and doing that 10 times. Then you're going to circle the shoulders, big circles, the biggest circles you can do, still going forward 10 times. And then pause. And now the opposite. Circle your shoulders behind you, small little circles, again, like really small, 10 times. Circling shoulders behind you 10 times, big. Big round, letting go of all the tension that you've gathered. And that's one set. You're going to do that 3 times throughout your workday. Number 3, Utkatasana, chair. You can use a chair or not for balance. Feet hip bone width apart or legs together. Knees bend, hips go back. Body will tilt forward a bit. Lift your chest. Keep sinking. Or without chair, it would look like this. Arms out in front. And then when you're ready, make it harder. Arms overhead. Lift your pelvic floor. Engage your hips, drawing hips in towards each other. Tailbone, pubic bone towards each other. Lift all 4 areas up. Lift low back muscles up. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Inhale, stand. And you're going to do that 10 times. And you're going to do 3 sets throughout the day. Number 4, Trikonasana, triangle pose with a chair. Grab a chair. wide stance. Inhale, arms out to the side. Wrist, ankle in one straight line. Then ball of left foot turns in, right foot turns out 90 degrees. Inhale, lengthen, lift. Exhale, right hand down to the chair seat, left arm up towards the sky. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. And then inhale, come up. Exhale, lower the arms. And then you turn the feet, turn this right foot in, legs together. Go to the other side. Do the same thing on this side. You're going to hold this again for 30 to 60 seconds. And you are going to do this throughout the day 3 times. That's for your back, any low back pain. That should help relieve it. Favorite is number 5. Find a table. You're going to place your hands shoulder width apart. Walk your legs back. Bow forwards 90 degrees. Straight arms. Straight legs. So your hips over your ankles. Push through the palms. Lift arm bones up and pull heart towards the floor. Now reach your outer hips back. Lift your low belly up and breathe space into your low back. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to hear in the comments how this worked for you. Namaste.